Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a video with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to prepare the tools. You will need Pixverse and also ChatGPT. Okay, we need ChatGPT to create a prompt and Pixverse for generating a video. Okay, and for today's video guys, I'm going to create cartoon video, and I have already asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me, this prompt, and I'm going to copy it and paste it on the Pixverse. We can describe the content that we want to create here. Okay, and before you use Pixverse, make sure that you have signed into this website using your account, and then you will get 60 credits for free, or the daily free credits. Okay, and then you can upload a video as a reference, but you can skip this tab, and then you can choose the duration here and select the aspect ratio, and you can click on create. It needs 20 credits. Okay, click on create and hold on. And these are the videos I have created before, and yeah, that's so cool, and it's free guys. Alright, and it's almost done. Okay, and now my video is ready. This is how the video looks like. And if you want to download the video, just click on this download icon, and then the video will be saved to your device. And if you want to create long video guys, you can generate scene by scene. You can ask ChatGPT to create the prompts for each scene, and then you can generate the video per scene. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.